Hello, welcome to the Dulwich Picture Gallery and the special exhibition Yoshida, 3 Generations of Japanese Printmaking. My name is Monika Hinkel and I am the project curator of the exhibition. This is the first exhibition of this iconic Japanese family of printmakers in the UK and in Europe, and it showcases the work of 3 male artists and 3 female artists of this iconic family. The patriarch of the Yoshida family, Yoshida Hiroshi, visited the Dulwich Picture Gallery on the 29th of May 1900 and signed the visitor book. He only became a printmaker aged 44 when he met the print publisher Watanabe Shozaburo, a leading figure in the so-called Shinhanga new print movement in Japan, a movement that revitalized the ukiyo-e printmaking of the 17th to the 19th century. Hiroshi became one of the prominent printmakers of this Shinhanga movement. He was in particular famous for his landscapes and famous views. This is one of his most famous prints in the exhibition, called Komoi Cherry Trees, that he designed in 1926. The view shows a very famous site in Japan that is famous for hanami, for cherry blossom viewing. It is the site of Yoshino, east of Osaka, and this particular print served an inspiration for the current generation artist Yoshida Ayomi for her site-specific installation. With this installation, she takes printmaking beyond the piece of paper. This installation is called Transient Beauty. On this side, we see an enormous cherry tree with 10,000 petals of blossoms. On the other side, we also see a cherry tree, but here we encounter the impact of rain and of wind. These 2 panels beautifully showcase 2 important themes within this installation and within Japanese art: impermanence and seasonality.
5人の先祖との展示はとても大きなプレッシャーでした。私は1部屋を使い、桜のインスタレーションを展示しました。祖父の雲井桜をオマージュした作品です。花の開花と散りで儚さと無常を表現しています。このギャラリーの空間に合わせて設計したため、他の場所を巡回しません。ここで体験した人々の心にのみ残ります。祖父が100年以上前に訪れたギャラリーで展示でき、感無量です。
This site-specific installation by Yoshida Ayomi is absolutely unique and quite fittingly connecting to the title Transient Beauty. It will never be shown anywhere else again.